Russian delegation suffered massive casualties when they came under fire.
An estimated 158 deaths at the Castovian base, with more than 200 injured. Several explosions and an apparent chemical attack were seen by witnesses from miles away.
The Kremlin blames Kazakhstan for what they call a brutal and unjustifiable attack. They are asking world leaders to join them in denouncing the ULF as a terrorist organization.
Kazakhstan has been a terrorist hotspot for years, yet what has been done about it?
Absolutely nothing.
It's clear the ULF remains at large, and for all we know, they have weapons in striking distance of Moscow. How do we know we're safe?
Дамы и господа, наш самолет завершил набор высоты. Вы можете расстегнуть ремни.
هاي حلوة.
شكرا.
العيلة كل شي.
قرب عيد ميلاد بنتي.
بنتك رابية.
كيف عرفت؟
ابنك طارق، جوزك خالد.
نعرف بعض؟
أنا بعرفك سمارة. أنت كنت ضابط باليولف. حاربت الروس.
أي من سنين.
من سنين. اسمعي ولا تحكي. احنا حنسيطر على الطيارة. حراس الجو وطاقم الطيارة كلهم معانا. وانتي كمان. عشان أورزكستان. يلا. Снижаемся. Дальше.
Hello, Samara. You exceeded my expectations today.
What do you think you are?
This is about who you are, Samara.
What is this?
History.
Get this off me, you fucking son of a bitch!
Shh. You will be a hero for what you're doing here, Samara.
No one will believe you. I am not a terrorist.
No. You're a citizen soldier inspired by Farah Karim to fight Russia. You're a freedom fighter.
You're Russian. This plane is full of Russians. How could you kill your own people?
No, I'm not killing them. You are.
Мы ниже 8000 футов, командир.
Лео, Узбекистане, Самара. Лео. Идем не оставлять!
Give me that phone, you sick bastard! We can stop this!
You terrorist.
No!
You look like one. Who gave it to you?
Help me! Give me the cell phone! Let me go! I need to use that phone! Hurry! Give it
We need to update you on breaking news of a Russian passenger jet that crashed in the Urzikstan
passengers
Mountains.
and 9 crew
Suspect
members
it
were
may have
on
been
board.
deliberately crashed.
Standing
There
very
was an
rapid. Authorities are
unexplained
looking for the
descent.
cockpit voice
A
recorder.
cockpit voice recorder that is a crucial part of the
Video from
investigation.
passenger cell
Video
phone
from
could
passenger cell phones could also shed
Hours
light on
after a
what
missile attack on Arklov
Delegations
military base.
suffered massive casualties when they
Incidents could be
waited acts of
related in what looks
extremism.
to be a possible terrorist
Not
attack.
tolerate terrorists.
Moscow is investigating. Intentions haven't been...
This has got Makarov written all over it.
He's done more damage in 72 hours than Coney did in 5 years without him.
That airliner went down in my country.
It was no accident.
I need to get to that crash site and prove it.
ICAO data shows that it was a flight out of Kastovia bound for Sochi. They lost contact in this region.
That's all I need.
You'll have to get there before authorities arrive.
It's not the authorities I'm worried about.
Good luck, fella.
Crash site, over the ridge.
I see it. Shumaseki.
Somebody beat us here.
Russian PMCs. Kony Group.
Makarov.
They'll blame us for this too. We need to find out what happened on that flight. Show the world it wasn't us. I won't have them call us terrorists. Not again.
What are you doing?
Going down there.
Far, there's at least 20 guns holding that area. What do you need from me?
Overwatch. Take some high ground and cover me.
Yes, ma'am.
Position?
Affirm. Eyes on multiple Coney squads picking at the wreckage.
Looks like they're securing the site.
The ULF didn't do this. We need to find anything we can to prove it.
Laswell ran a tracer to lasso signals in the area. We can locate passenger cell phones and track down the flight recorder.
Copy. On the move.
I see you. Got your 6. I'll relay what I see from here. Good shot, Kilo. No issues. You're clear to proceed.
These men are not welcome in my country.
Let them know.
I intend to. Heading further into the site.
I see you. Still plenty more patrols ahead. Good shot, Kilo. No issues. You're clear to proceed. Saw Coney was digging around there. Maybe they missed something.
Copy. Found a cell phone. Reading.
Hope we got something.
Russian air marshals. They're yelling at someone with a gun.
Didn't see any Coney moving in or out of there. Must have moved whatever they found.
Copy moving.
A lot of fresh debris in your area. Worth a search.
Acknowledged.
Hooked him. No one saw it.
Found another.
What do you see?
I see a woman with a gun. Samara. She's one of my soldiers.
Yes! 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 Yes!
She was
Yes!
in the
Yes! Yes!
People
No!
change,
No!
brother.
No! Fuck! Shit!
I hope so. Let's see what else you can find. Tracer says you're in proximity of a cell.
We'll call Echo!
Got that one. Covering.
Так точно.
Found him for you.
Кидаю осколочную!
But don't let your guard down. Cody's got plenty more where that came from. Be careful.
Makarov's men will die here with his victims.
Get them what they deserve.
I see my if only we
Gun
could kill them all
out
twice.
west.
She looks afraid. She doesn't want to do this.
We both know the world won't see it that way.
Makarov wants the world to see this. We can't let them.
Understood. Still need to secure that flight. Got Hydra and Coney gunners coming in now. Serious firepower and a nearby signal. Might be guarding the flight recorder.
Searching.
Это Альфа-02.
I'm at the flight recorder. Flight recorder secured. I'll destroy the data and wipe it clean. I won't let Makarov falsely incriminate my country.
Affirmative. Fry at Kilo. No signals left. We got whatever was here. Crash site sanitized.
Let's get off the X. We link up at our infill point.
Copy that, Commander. Kilo, I got a problem.
Copy. What is it?
Got Cody converging on my position. I'm compromised. Stand by.
Alex, where are you? 3-1.
Wait a minute! Who are you?
Go! Get out of here now!
No, Alex. I'll find you.
Get down!
The truck! Get to the truck! What's next?
We need to find where those Coney came from and where they're headed. I want you to track them. Do not engage unless absolutely necessary.
I'll keep my distance.
Try not to get caught this time.
No promises.
A former ULF soldier wearing a suicide vest on a Russian airliner.
She was forced. I'm sure of it. Samara. She was a good fighter. Joined my forces during the occupation. Left to raise her family.
What happened at the crash site?
They were planting evidence to frame us and collecting the rest. We killed as many as we could and took the phones.
And the black box?
Wiped it clean.
Smart. You stopped Makarov from controlling the narrative. If Coney operatives were on that plane, they got off somehow. Makarov wouldn't leave that loose end.
Some people will believe the ULF was responsible.
Thanks to you, no one can prove it. People will speculate, but you beat Makarov at his own game.
It's not enough. I sent Alex after Coney. If they're in Urzikstan, he'll find them.
Copy. When I regroup with 141, whatever we know, you'll know. And Farah?
Yes, Laswell.
I'm sorry about Samara.
Me too.